If you are interested in finding high-ticket clients quickly and easily, this video is the most important clip you're watching today. I want to share with you two methods to increase your value from your audience's point of view. Then I'll explain in detail my 5 step-by-step process to sell high-ticket products to people who have already done business with you or people who know you but didn't invest money with you, aka potential clients. I can assure you that this strategy you are about to discover works in every market and country worldwide. My name is Max Cecco, and I help you become a high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience, helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on. If you tap on the like button, you will contribute to spreading my message to people like you. So, thank you. Before revealing the best place to get high-ticket clients, let me make two important premises. First of all, let me qualify what a high-ticket client is. When you're selling products or services between $5,000 and $25,000 or more, you can say that you are offering high-ticket products. Secondly, in order to sell this stuff at those prices, you have to be perceived as very valuable by your audience, otherwise no one is going to pay similar fees to access your intellectual property. Indeed, you perfectly know that marketing is a game of perceptions. The question is, how could you be perceived so much valuable by the market? I'm supposing you are starting from scratch, because if you are a marketing expert, as I am now after 14 years, you don't need this information. You probably already know how to get your best customers. To increase your value from the point of view of your audience, you have two choices. Choice number one. Create your social authority. I shared this concept multiple times in different videos. Sharing your best knowledge and experience for free on social networks is the most effective way to build the right perceptions to let your target audience trust you. And it's pretty simple to understand. If you give the best advice and knowledge to people who don't know you, this is what will happen. First, they like you. Secondly, they follow you. Thirdly, they trust you, and some of them will love you forever. In a nutshell, you are building a relationship with your fans, and once they trust in you, they are ready to buy whatever you want to sell them. This is the main reason why I'm sharing so much free valuable information on different social platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Indeed, even if I worked in the Italian market for 12 years, I'm no one in the rest of the world. So I'm creating my international presence, and this is a path I must follow, especially in a competitive market as I am right now. Choice number two. Start selling low-ticket offers. This is the best choice you have to build trust, let your clients know what you can do for them, and provide real value. For example, if you start selling info products from $97 to $397, they are pretty easy to sell even if you start from scratch. Obviously, you have to introduce your offer properly, you need a marketing funnel system, email marketing automation, and so on. The point is this. Once your low-ticket clients understand your value and trust in you, they are the best client to sell high-ticket products and services. They want to continue the path they started with you, but only if you are a reliable and trustworthy entrepreneur. Now, let me give you the 5 step-by-step process to sell your high-ticket products to people who have already done business with you or people who know you but didn't invest money with you, aka potential clients. Step number 1. Offer something valuable for free. The first step is providing value for free with the intent of helping your ideal clients fix their problems. But your main priority is to start collecting leads. It means that they have to give you their email, name and phone number, for instance, to get access to your precious information. Keep in mind that this piece of content is the most important and crucial of your entire sales funnel. When you create this content, your main goal is to let your clients get an immediate result. This is what they should think. If Max has been capable of pushing me to get this and this result with only free content, what would he be able to do if I bought his products or services? Do not underestimate the power of free content. It is not casual, but tailored based on your target audience's needs. Step number 2. Sell your low-ticket offer. Once they have consumed your free content, some of your potential clients want access to your complete solution, your step-by-step process, and your recipe to get the desired results. Here is the best moment to start offering a low-ticket product in order to persuade them to buy it and start creating a relationship. Especially today, in 2022 and in the years to come, people are looking for real relationships. Do not sell a simple video course without adding weekly Q&A live sessions. The key here is to decrease the distance between you, the mentor, and the clients, the mentees. They need to feel that you are here to help them and you are genuinely interested in fixing their problems. Step number 3. Segmentation. What does segmentation stand for? Segmentation is a process to qualify some leads based on their behavior. To create an effective segmentation, you have to use the proper email marketing software, and to be very honest, you have only 2 choices. One software is called Infusionsoft, but it is very expensive and not so easy to use. The other choice is an email marketing software I have been using since 2015, and it is amazing. ActiveCampaign. I put the link to this software in the description below this video. The secret behind segmentation is to qualify the more active leads, the potential customers that interact with you, and your clients list that bought something from you. These are the 2 segments more inclined to buy your high-ticket products or services. Step number 4. Offer high-ticket products. Now we are in the perfect moment to sell high-ticket products to our customers and potential clients that didn't buy anything. Thanks to the segmentation process allowed by ActiveCampaign email marketing software, we can invite our best leads to a special live webinar, for instance, reserved only for our clients and subscribers who want to get a specific result. Honestly, you don't have to overcomplicate things. Period. Many entrepreneurs are only focused on getting new clients. Instead, you have to do business with your existing clients. This is the real secret. But it works only if you deliver or over-deliver your promises, otherwise this process will fail. It's up to you. Step number 5. Repeat the same process. Repeat the previous 4 steps I have just mentioned. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Create different front-end low-ticket offers with the main intent to do business with your clients. You have to understand this concept. People need leaders capable of guiding them to reach the results they want. People are not looking for difficult and long paths. This is why you should always start with easy-to-implement product, and then your high-ticket offers involve your time and direct help to bring people to the next level with a more complex system. That's it. Now, what's next? In this video I talked about creating a mailing list of potential customers and clients in order to sell them your high-ticket products or services. Now, I recommend watching this video. 3 easy steps to build a responsive email list from scratch, my secrets to collecting 480,000 subscribers in 12 years. I'm not kidding, I'm excited to share with you these secrets you can start using today to build your mailing list from scratch. So, watch this video now.